Would you please untie this knot? Would you please untie this knot? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? Keep your books in the bag. Keep your books in the bag. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. What makes you late? What makes you late? Do you work on Sundays? Do you work on Sundays? Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Take a chance. Take a chance. Is there any mail for me? Is there any mail for me? What is the population of France? What is the population of France? Are you okay? Are you okay? Or are you all right? Are you all right? Were there any problems? Were there any problems? Can't say. Can't say. I am bored. I am bored. See him off. See him off. Which is your pain? Which is your pain? He is not well. He is not well. Or he is unwell. He is unwell. It's been a difficult day. It's been a difficult day. Try to understand. Try to understand. Who can do it? Who can do it? See yourself. See yourself. I am not afraid. I am not afraid. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Don't worry. Don't worry. Please understand. Please understand. Can you come? Can you come? Where did you go? Where did you go? Do you have time tonight? Do you have time tonight? Good idea. Good idea. How sweet. How sweet. Forget her. Forget her. Ring it out fast. Ring it out fast. I keep fast sometimes. I keep fast sometimes. You are wrong. You are wrong. You may go now. You may go now. Wait in line, please. Wait in line, please. Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? Can you mail this for me? Can you mail this for me? I can't accept what you say. I can't accept what you say. Enjoyed a lot. Enjoyed a lot. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. Be attentive. Be attentive. It's good. It's good. Talk to me. Talk to me. I will fix it up. I will fix it up. How to start? How to start? By your grace. By your grace. Where is he? Where is he? Are you mad? Are you mad? Not yet. Not yet. Give me that. Give me that. When will you come? When will you come? What now? What now? What's going on here? What's going on here? When will you go? When will you go? I wonder why. I wonder why. Or I tend to think. I tend to think. What nonsense. What nonsense. Or how absurd. How absurd. The matter has become serious. The matter has become serious. She is going into the office. She is going into the office. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.